where you get to feed the pigs beer.
And then we take you to one of St. Croix's best beaches. Stay with us. Hello and welcome back to Next Trekking Adventure. Where are we going today, Tara?
We are going to Pellier Domino Club, which that's a weird name for
At the next light, turn
the
right.
excitement that's going to happen there.
Oh
And
my goodness.
it might be domino playing, but I heard they have this amazing ROTI on Friday, so
Yeah.
we missed out on that because I have to work during the week, and they're only open
At
until
the light,
5.
turn right onto Midland Road.
So this is going to be a super fun experience. I've been wanting to go for 3 weeks.
That's all you've been talking about for about 3 weeks. I want to go. So guess what today? We're going.
I hope it's been, I have hyped it up, and you are going to have fun too.
I better be talking about this for months to come.
Oh, you will.
Do you remember when we went to...
You will.
And Domino Club is located on Route 76, Mahogany Road, in the heart of the rainforest. Mount Pellier Hut, the Mount Pellier Domino Club, is one of the most unique places in all of the Caribbean. You can just stop in for a cold drink. The food is really good too, but be sure while you're there to feed the pigs a beer. It's non-alcoholic, of course, because nobody wants drunk pigs. The road coming in from the east side of the island is pretty well paved and pretty well marked. It's a different experience coming from the west side of the island driving into the rainforest. Roads get a little bit tougher there. There's the noni fruit, and that's the noni tree.
Try to get one of these. Look at here, one of these blooming.
Oh yeah, they have blooms. That's pig food, Tara. We are in the rainforest here, so there's lots of florals and fauna that don't have any problems growing. But there shouldn't be any shortage of eggs on St. Croix either. Wow. It's a real simple menu here at the Domino Club. They have daily specials as well, but the main attraction is for the pigs. So if you're on the island of St. Croix and you're looking for something fun to do, you've got to go to this attraction. This is a lot of fun for the entire family. While you're waiting for your food, you might as well take a look around. There's lots of history, lots of cool little things all over this place. Do some exploring, then have a great lunch in paradise. Okay.
Honey hot.
Honey hot and hot hot, yeah.
Ooh,
Okay.
honey hot.
And there's ketchup behind you, but look at that. What'd you get, Tara?
I got the cheeseburger in paradise.
With some potatoes.
Mushrooms, onions, cheese. Oh, it looks like some special sauce.
Oh.
I'm so happy with my decision to come here today.
The food really was good, but we had to eat in a hurry because we had to feed some pigs, and Terry had been talking about this for weeks.
Shake your beer up, don't open it. Okay. Yeah, shake your beer up, don't open it.
Oh.
Now when you're ready, you go right ahead. You see, they know you're coming, so they're working for that beer. As they drop up in the pan, you put the beer straight in his mouth. Don't open it.
Don't. Here, babe.
No.
I should do
They all are drinking beer the same way.
Oh.
I should film you. And this is. Oh.
Nicely done.
Chester.
Nicely done.
Ah! Oh, that was scary. Oh, we wasted it. Which one's Willis and which one's Chester?
What are you doing, Miss Terry?
So, we brought stickers with us, and I noticed there's stickers all over the place.
Oh, from other travelers, right?
Oh, and Gilligan was here. I see his hat.
Oh, yeah.
Just saw that. So, we're gonna find a good place to put our sticker. So when you guys come, you can take a picture of it. All right, let's go find a good place.
How about like right there?
Well,
Or
you might have to do that then. So here, I'll give you the honors. So I say the first person that finds our sticker and tags us, we're gonna send you a free shirt. Woo!
yes. So what do you think of that?
That was a ton of fun.
Yeah. I'm thinking that this would be a good place to come for a brunch. That maybe their brunch, it was pretty good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they start at 8 o'clock on weekends.
Yeah, and it's an interesting kind of detour from the beach. So if you're looking for something up to do, not in the beach, they call this the rainforest. This is a good option.
Are we gonna continue through the rainforest?
We are.
So where are we headed?
In the rainforest jungle. We don't really know.
That's a cute sign right there. I want to take a picture.
Well, if Miss Terry says stop, I stop, put it in reverse, and we take a picture of the sign.
All right, so how was your adventure so far?
So far, so good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love adventures that you have no idea what to expect, but you think you know what's going to be there, but then it's a ton of fun and so much more than what you read about. So now we're on another adventure, trying to find where? The West End? West Beach?
Yeah.
West End Beach?
Yeah, West End Beach.
And I'm gonna have to put this up here so you can see what kind of fun road we're on.
If you're planning a vacation in St. Croix, you have to rent a car. It's the best way to see the island. We rented through Centerline because their prices beat the competition. From the Domino Club, you head west. And the road does get a little rough, as I showed you in the video. But you just keep heading west and you end up on the western side of the island. There's where Frederikssted's at, and this is where all the cruise ships come into port. And right near there is the St. Croix sign. And you gotta do some selfies there at the St. Croix sign. Have some fun, enjoy the views. This is a beautiful side of the island. Lots of sandy beaches, and Sandy Point is eventually out there. And we'll have videos on that to come. From Frederiksted, you just drive south following the beach line, and you'll come to Dorsch Beach. The waters here are crystal clear, and there's a little bit to do for everybody. Sun, snorkel, swim, whatever you want to do, you can do it right here. This is the perfect beach. So we got our little beach there, our rental car's right there. Pretty cool beach. So for whatever reasons, the water's cold today. So here's the deal. We're parked here for free. And here's my pro tip. The price you would pay to sit on the beach there at the resort, you could go to the Kmart here, like I did, get a little tent for shade and 2 chairs for under $100, and then you got them all week.
Yep.
And then you can leave them with your Airbnb host if they weren't, if they didn't have that stuff.
Yeah.
And then the next guest can have them, and then maybe when you come back, they'll still be there. Or maybe the next tourist will leave their stuff so you can enjoy it. Anyways, that's our pro tip.
But we're heading on to another exciting place, so we're definitely going to bring the tent with us.
Yeah.
Not the chair.
The tent is a must.
Yeah.
And while you're there, you might as well jump in that turquoise water. We love picking beaches. We can sit on white sand and then jump in and snorkel. There's lots of things to see and lots of things to do, a little bit for everybody on this beach. And one of the things we found was you could snorkel and find sea glass and what's locally known as chaney. Watch our other videos for our chaney hunting in and on St. Croix. Chaney is a local term on the island of St. Croix for pieces of broken china or pottery that date back to the 18th and 19th century. These fragments often come from old dishes, teacups, or other ceramics left behind by early European settlers. Legend has it that children would find the china and round the corners and make it into play money, thus the term chaney, china money. Locals and visitors alike collect them, and today chaney jewelry is a popular island craft. We suggest that you visit one of the custom jewelry stores on the island and either take your findings and have something cool made out of it, or buy one that they've already made. Very cool souvenir from St. Croix. Hey Babs,
Yeah.
I got a question for you. What would you do if every day when you woke up you had $86,400 in your bank account? But by the end of the day, you had to have spent it because it's going to disappear. But the next day, you're going to get another $86,400. What would you do?
Well, that's random, but
Yeah?
I'd spend it.
You'd spend it doing things, buying stuff.
Yeah.
Well, here's the deal. There's 86,400 seconds in a day. Don't waste one of them. Well, here's the deal about time. It's like a bank account. Once that time passes, you don't get it back.
No.
It's gone. Every second of every day. That moment's gone. Did you do your best in that moment? I don't know. That's why we're traveling full time. We want to make the best of every moment. That's why we're traveling full time.
Yep.
Because we want to make the best of every moment. We are Mark and Terry of Next Trekking Adventure. We are full-time travelers, and we vlog our adventures on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. We hope that you've liked this video and that you'll subscribe to our channel. It costs you nothing, and it means a lot to us. It helps us and motivates us to continue making these videos. And we'll see you
On our next trekking adventure.